What's up guys, back at it again here at 88 Rotors with another jam-packed Tundra compilation video for you guys, including a couple brand new 2022 Tundras. If you've been here before, then welcome back, and if you're new here and want to join in on the fun, make sure to subscribe. Here's a cement gray Tundra that we just did a king setup on with some 35s with our body mount chop. This color is still going strong, magnetic gray metallic. Here's a 2022 Tundra in MGM. We're about to lift this one with a Westcott lift kit. We're going to do that and clear some 35-inch tires easily. This Tundra Limited comes with the AVS system and has rear airbags. The Westcott lift will bring it up a couple inches to easily fit these 35 12.5 17 Toyo Open Country RTs that we've wrapped up on a set of KMC impacts. I didn't get a chance to record the installation of the lift kit, but they're just basic preload purchase and top shims. With the new lift wheels and tires on, we're going to bring this bad boy out for a quick test drive before we hand the keys back over to the customer. 88 Rotors is located in the city of South El Monte, which is about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're looking to get some work done by us, please reach out to us anytime by phone, or you can always message us by clicking on the link in the description and getting to our contact form. We are a stocking dealer for these Westcott kits for the 2022 Tundras. Schedule an appointment with us today to get your new Tundra set up. Sorry, we do not ship. Everything checks out, and this one is ready for the customer to take off with. Next one in is another 2022 Tundra. This one's a silver color that we're also doing a Westcott lift on. We're test fitting the wheels here to make sure that everything is going to clear properly with this offset. This one's twinning with that earlier MGM color Tundra. We're doing the same wheels and identical tires, 35 12.5 17 Toyo Open Country RTs. This Tundra Platinum is in for an icon setup. We're doing a lift, wheels, and tires on this one with a body mount chop. We just installed a set of 4 King shocks on this black colored Tundra. This one right here received our Icon front and rear shocks with tubular delta joint upper control arms and our lift shackle in the back. We did a body mount chop to clear the 35 12.5 18 tires that we wrapped in the Method NV MR305s. Our tech is also performing a BMC on this Tundra to clear the 35-inch tires that we're going to be installing. We're doing a king setup on this one, 2.5 remote reservoir coilovers and shocks all around with some cambered tubular uniball upper control arms. We're also installing a load lifter airbag system for the rear end of this. If you tow with your vehicle and usually carry a heavy load in the bed when doing so, having an airbag system like this from Airlift is definitely a good option for you. For the wheels and tires on this one, we did the Method NV MR305s in a bronze finish. This one's in an 18x9, and we wrapped it up in a 35 12.5 18 BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2 tire. We've mounted the airlift management system underneath the vehicle and are now wiring it up and programming the remote. This next magnetic gray metallic Tundra TRD Sport 4x4 is going with an Icon lift setup. We're doing the Icon delta joint, upper control arms up front, and the 2.5 IR coilovers with the rear 2.0 IR shocks as you see here with our lift shackles. For the wheels on this one, we went with the Method MR312s in a bronze finish in 18x9. We wrapped it up in a 35 12.5 18 BF Goodrich KM3 mud terrain tire. Next up, we have a Sequoia coming in for a lift, wheels, and tires with our body mount shop. As we do the body mount shop, our wheel and tire guys are mounting up the Volk TE37XTs in an 18x9 with a 0 offset that we're wrapping up in a Toyo Open Country AT3. Tire size here is 35 12.5 18. Here are the King's 2.5 remote reservoir coilovers and shocks with compression adjusters with SPC ball joint upper control arms. We've installed some Dobinson rear lift springs on this as well. And this is what our finished body mount job looks like. And this is pretty much going to wrap it up for today, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, make sure you turn on that notification bell also. That way you get alerted the next time we post another cool video. Until then, take care, guys.